Welcome to Cine Tech. Today, we're reviewing the Roborock Q7 L5, a LiDAR-guided robot vacuum and mop combo. It promises 8,000 PA suction and robust navigation without the premium price tag. We'll explore its real-world performance and value. Check the link in the description for the best price. We evaluate the Q7 L5's practical cleaning power and movement within your home. Its powerful suction combined with precise LiDAR mapping makes it highly effective for daily maintenance and general floor cleaning. The LiDAR navigation is a significant advantage, creating efficient routes and consistently avoiding random path cleaning errors. Its anti-tangle brush design significantly helps in homes with pets, minimizing hair wrap and reducing frequent maintenance needs. While useful for light floor refreshing and dust removal, it is not designed to be a specialist for deep mopping or tough stains. This Roborock delivers strong daily vacuuming performance, navigating efficiently while handling common challenges like pet hair quite well. We assess if the Roborock Q7 L5 offers compelling value for its asking price. The inclusion of LiDAR navigation at this price point genuinely enhances the overall ownership experience and efficiency of cleaning. With 8,000 PA suction, it offers robust cleaning power that stands out effectively within its entry to mid-tier segment. The lack of an auto-empty dock translates to lower operational complexity and reduced dependence on expensive consumables for owners. It offers a compelling option for those seeking Roborock's reliable mapping without needing to invest in a premium, dock-heavy model. For its price point, this robot provides strong value through excellent LiDAR navigation and robust cleaning performance. We examine the potential downsides and common complaints to help you buy with confidence. Because it lacks a self-emptying dock, buyers should expect a bit more manual maintenance for emptying the dustbin. Its mopping is suitable for light refreshing, so it's important to set moderate expectations for tackling truly deep stains. It's always wise to compare its price against any discounted Roborock models with self-emptying docks if their prices are similar. A significant positive is the strong support from the established Roborock ecosystem, offering peace of mind for long-term ownership. Buyers should be aware of the need for manual emptying and moderate mopping, though the strong Roborock support is a clear positive. The Roborock Q7 L5 is a solid recommendation for those seeking reliable cleaning. It delivers strong LiDAR navigation and impressive vacuum power in a streamlined package, making it an excellent value. It's ideal if you prioritize core performance and robust mapping over advanced dock automation. However, if daily deep mopping or minimal manual interaction is your top priority, consider other options. This unit strikes a fine balance for its target buyer.